Hi everyone, it's Shana from WTI. Okay, I'll admit it, I've seen people walking down the street with these beautiful bouncy curls and thought, oh my god, I want that in my hair. They must spend hours doing it, but little did I know that this was the secret. This is the Kitsch Heatless curling set. I did actually use it a few days ago when I wanted some soft curls on my hair, and this is my new obsession. This comes with a 34-inch long satin heatless curling rod in this beautiful cotton candy color. It is bendable, it's soft, and it comes with 2 satin scrunchies to secure in place. I do like to wrap my hair in it at night. I like to secure it on my head with the clip and wrap my hair around it either loosely or tightly depending on the look. And I like to sleep on it because it's so soft. And the next day I take out the curls and voila, bouncy, smooth, free curls. I love that I'm able to wave or curl my hair without putting any heat on it and damaging it. This set is so soft, it's so luxurious, and it's so effortless, and that's my point of view.